Today we're going to make a Corpse Survivor number 2. There's a couple things that are going to happen. You're going to find out how to make a fantastic drink, and I think somebody's going to get a wet willy by the end.
Sorry if people are fucking loud.
Welcome to Comment Cocktails. I'm Derek. That's Ian. That's Dan. I got it right in the order.
You have to think about it.
My brain. I was hoping I didn't have to, but I rolled. Whole brain happening. Today we're making the Corpse Survivor number 2. Why are we making the number 2? Because it's better than all the other ones, says most people on the internet. So I'm gonna go with that.
It's a number 2?
Yeah, everybody asked me.
So you're doing a rinse again?
Doing a rinse.
Absinthe rinse. So
wait a minute. You got a bunch in there.
Hey!
Do you keep it in there? Shh. Do you keep it in there?
Nope. I'm gonna dump out the excess.
You're gonna dump out the excess?
He's gonna dump. I'm gonna scream just so you guys can hear me. Sorry. He's gonna dump out all the excess. If you watched our Sazerac, was that the one?
Yes.
Yeah. Sazerac video. You saw. You take the absinthe, you put it in the glass, you rinse it out, you dump it. That's how you do an absinthe rinse. Or any rinse really, but usually it's absinthe.
Yes.
Now the recipe's gonna be 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of Cointreau, 1 ounce of Lillet Blanc, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1 dash of absinthe. That was your rinse. Lillet. So this should still be good.
James Bond.
Yeah. The Vesper?
The Vesper.
Aviation?
Nose Martini.
Yeah, it's a Vesper Martini.
Vesper Martini, right?
That's the only reason I have that bottle. That's the entire recipe. The Corpse Survivor was, you're going to build it. How do you build it? You build it remaining, you're just
gonna throw it out in the shaker?
And shake it straight and throw it in a chilled coop. The history behind this is it's a hangover cure. It's kind of the hair of the dog. You do this when you've been drinking and you wake up, you got a hangover, and you're like, I got to do something about this. You drink some more. I highly suggest you don't do that. Well, because that's why I'm on the internet.
Not a bad idea.
I'm telling you what you're supposed to do because I feel like it's the right thing to do. You do it if you want. It will work.
But sometimes.
It'll work. It's usually.
Sometimes you need a drink.
In the morning.
When you wake up.
That's different than drinking.
And it revives you and kind of gets you going.
It does get you going. Oh shit. So I gotta do the translation. I gotta figure out what that means in English or in US dollars. I'll do that in a minute. So the other thing about this is 1930s. I think it's about the time you're gonna see this drink getting defined. Well, that's the thing is in the 1930s. This was their hangover cure. They didn't have science.
Oh, yes.
So you get what you get.
Corpse Survivor.
It was originally defined or published in Harry Craddock's book, the Savoy Cocktail Book. I have that around here someplace.
I wasn't born yet.
Hey!
Shut up.
We're talking about drinks.
Sorry. Are we? Sorry.
It's a little loud. It's a little loud.
We were talking about Lillet. I mean, it was apropos.
Apropos my ass? I don't really know what to say to that. Oh wait, I should probably let this sit for a second and make sure it's good. That's the Corpse Survivor. Oh, it's even got a garnish in there. Does it say to garnish it? Yeah, orange peel garnish. Oh.
That's good.
Mine's the absinthe. You want to get the absinthe.
All right, let me try.
I just
Well, here you go first.
Oh, it's got citrus. Is that from your little squeeze? Oh, it could be the lemon juice, but it feels like there's. Did you rub some around the edges too?
No, I didn't.
And did you zest it over the glass?
I tried.
Yeah, I get
it's
a little
kind of
bit.
a weak peel, but.
Weak peel.
Yeah.
But it's got a little bit of an orange zest to it. It's there like your traditional sour. It's kind of like a daiquiri. Without rum.
It's like a daiquiri, but it's lighter than that.
It's like a gin daiquiri.
It's definitely lighter than a daiquiri.
It's very easy drinking.
Fits.
It's all alcohol.
A gin fix. I mean, besides the fact that, you know...
But we are using this gin. I mean, how juniper is it?
It's pretty juniper. It's dry and junipery.
I can't remember, to be honest with you.
Right,
Put it in your mouth.
I'll tell you.
But it has Lillet, right? And that should bring that like winey taste, but it doesn't. It's still light and refreshing.
It's a pretty well balanced drink.
That's a pretty good drink. I see why number 2 is the Corpse Survivor drink.
I know we've made both of them side by side before.
Yeah, we did that when we were on the table.
Yeah.
But
I think the 2 was much better.
It's a really easy drink. It kind of takes the gin out of it.
Yeah.
You almost don't.
You don't get a lot of juniper.
You don't get a lot of juniper, definitely.
Herbal?
I mean, this isn't actually very heavy juniper.
I get some orange.
No.
But it's a good drink. Let's do a high five until I figure out how many NOKs are in a USD.
$12.
How do you know? Ow.
Because somebody said it.
Oh.
Nice.
Okay, that's. Oh, we need one more because it's 12. Need to round up.
We'll round up.
Yeah, round up. Oh my God. Live streams. We have those once a month. Check our Facebook.com/CocktailTV for your updates on your live stream information for those that know. Also, you can use coupon code March18, save 18% off AwesomeDrinks.com to get yourself some coupe glasses like this. And you can always bookmark this recipe at recipe.awesomedrinks.com because that's where we publish all of our good recipes. I'm only getting the good ones, and it's a good one.
It's a good one. That is a good one.
It's a classic.
So that stays.
That's
That goes up
a
there.
classic cocktail right there.
Yeah.
Yes.
That definitely has that is something you should search up and look for because it's not complicated to make. If you have the hardest ingredient here is going to be Lillet. You got to get yourself some Lillet.
But you can make multiple drinks with this.
Oh, you're gonna have to. You can Vesper the shit out of life.
Yeah, Vesper.
And lots of these.
Yeah.
I don't really know what else.
Well, if you get 4 bottles the same size, then you'll use them all up at the same
You
time.
can do
Because
with
it's equal portions.
Aperol, Lillet, and
Really? Some core.
what is it? The
Gin?
sparkling. I'm trying to think of what it is.
Sparkling wine.
No, the
Water, mineral
blood orange. Like a blood orange.
like a sparkling blood orange.
Sparkling soda. Yeah.
Yeah, I have
The
one.
blood orange Pellegrino. This,
And Aperol?
and Aperol. It's a great like brunch drink. It's really light. It's refreshing. It's really easy.
Speaking of easy, sidebar for more easy videos. There's 2 courses over there. You can watch all the videos on there and learn everything you need to know about cocktails.
Oh Jesus!
What happened?
Did you read the comments?
Down below,
was
bartender
free.
starter kit. I'll figure out what just happened in post.
Damn it!
That's it.
I didn't read that one.
We're teaching you how to drink.